The long-standing derby between Arnett Gardens and Tivoli Gardens highlights the second round of matches on Sunday in the Red Stripe Premier League.
In 3 meetings during the 2017-18 season, Arnett Gardens did not concede against their rivals, winning 1-0, 2-0 and 3-0. However, come Sunday, both teams will start on even ground at the Edward Seaga Sports Complex, having both gone through restructuring and coaching changes in the last 12 months. One thing is for sure, though, is that both teams will want to put their opening day results behind them. Tivoli Gardens was brushed aside 4-0 by UWIFC, while Arnett Gardens went down 3-1 to Humble Iron.
We have the players for the position at the back there, just that we didn't have them today based on the fact that the transfer process were not complete. But I promise the next game will be solid at the back as much as possible.
It's going to be a long journey, it's a tough journey, and we have to work, we have to dig in. Can't give up, it's just start. But we never get to please the crowd and give the crowd what they want. But we're going to, at the end of the day, they're going to be happy, trust me.
Elsewhere, Paul Teagat Davis, who returned as head coach of Mount Pleasant Football Academy, will be looking to start his tenure with 3 points when they travel to face a confident Humble Lion at Effortville.
A tough game. They're coming off for a win, but nevertheless, we're still going there for that 3 points.
We want to turn Effortville into a fortress, where teams come in there, they don't leave with anything. So that's one of the things that we are going to work on, our stoutness when we play at home.
The top 2 teams after match day 1, UWIFC and newcomers Malines United, will battle it out to remain at the top.
No, it's a new team, but I can assure you that it's not totally new players to the league. It's a new challenge. They'll be playing at home. We just have to play hard, adapt to the circumstances there.
The other game on Sunday will see Veer United, who sat out last week because of the absence of Waterhouse, playing defending champions Portmore United, who were beaten by promoted Malines United 3-0 on Monday night. The game will be played at the Wembley Centre of Excellence. All games kick off at 3:30 p.m.
And there is another game on Sunday as well. Waterhouse will play Dunbeholden at the Royal Lakes Field at 3:30. The Malines United Uwe game is at Drew's Land also at 3:30, while Harbour View and Cavalier will meet on Monday.